Hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. So if you have been downloading music for a while, you might eventually run into that annoying notification, storage almost full. So those downloaded songs take up space, we all know this, especially if you have been saving albums in Ultra HD quality. So the good news is, freeing up space is easy. You can delete individual songs, whole playlists, or even entire albums with just a few taps. So in today's small tutorial, we're gonna go through how to actually delete downloaded songs in Amazon Music, fast and easy as usual. Let's get started. So we are talking about Amazon Music, so we better start with the mobile app first. Whether you are using Android or even iOS, it's the same steps. So first we want to open our Amazon Music app. Go all the way to your library after obviously logging in using your email address and password. Tap on download to see everything you have saved offline. Then find the songs you want to remove. Tap the three dots next to it. Then from the menu select remove download or delete download. The song will be removed from your device immediately, but it will still be in your library for streaming. So, for example, you want to delete an entire playlist or album. You should again go to library, downloads, find the playlist or album you want to remove, tap the three dots next to it, select remove downloads. This will delete all downloads there. For example, I'm right now on an album. I'm just gonna go press. No, actually just tap on it, three dot, and you will be able to see also the option to delete it. For me, I don't actually have the premium app, so I won't be able to see all of this, but I think you got the idea. So thank you all for watching. I'll see you all in the next video.